Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, I wish that you are doing well and you are in a good health, you and your families. At the beginning, I want you to sit appropriately. We're in a comfort place, away from anything that will distract you, away from the television, away from the kitchen, away from your siblings if you have small ones. Also, I want you to prepare with your markers and your pen or pencils because we are going to highlight very important topics or very important terms here on your worksheet number 6. I want you to bring your booklet and I want you to open worksheet number 6. I want you to focus. I'm going to start now. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are going to talk about the internet website. We all surf the internet and we search for different things, or we can play games, or we use the internet or different websites for socialize with other people like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or we can use encyclopedias to search for different informations or to do assignments for our teachers or to search for any different topics or to download books. We talked earlier or before about the internet services and why we all use internet. Today we will talk or go through the website or the address for each uh, web page or internet we are using. First thing, we are going to talk about the internet website. I want you now to use your highlighter to highlight the definition of internet website. Internet websites are a group of internet electronic pages containing information in the form of text, picture, video, or audio. I highlighted now. I want you to highlight the definition. As I said earlier, the definition will be true or false, fill in the blanks with a word box or multiple choice. I don't want you to memorize the whole definition. Again, the internet website, a group of electronic pages. Let's say we have here the Firefox. I want you to focus now with me. I'm opening the Firefox. Right, I want to update now. This is the Firefox. I want to open, let's say, the Wikipedia. The Wikipedia is encyclopedia online. Now, this is a website and this is the address for the website. Here is the address for the website. This is the address for my website. I want you to focus. This one is the address for my website. The address. It's like your home address. If you tell me that I'm living on Al Batrawi around circle, next to Al Quds Bakery, let's say building number 10, apartment number 9. If I go there, I will find you. I'm not going to find someone else. So when I type the address on the address bar, I'm going to find the Wikipedia. Now, this is a website. This website have different pages or electronic pages. I'm going to choose the English one. I'm clicking now on the English. Now I'm transferring from one page to another one. See? Let's say this is page number 1. When I press on English, I'm transferring from page number 1 to page number 2. Every time I click on whatever link I have, let's say I'm going to click here on in history. So I'm going to open a new page. When I click in history, I'm going to go through another page. See, this is another page. Okay, I want to go to technology. This is another one. to open different pages. Now, this is a group of internet electronic pages. These pages not touched by my hand. It's not a pure paper. It's electronic pages. Containing what? It's containing information in different forms. Information for me, different forms. Some kind of information is text, like this. These are text. Or maybe it's pictures. Or I can find videos. So, the information may be text or pictures. I can find text, pictures, videos, audio files. These are the definition of internet website. Each website has its own address, which is called a website address, as I said before. Again, each website has an address. This address is different from website to another. I can find the same address for the same website. As I told you earlier, I can't go to your address home and find someone else, not you. Today we are going to talk about these addresses, and with these addresses, what it has parts and what is the meaning of each part. What is the meaning of each part? And it's very important for you to focus. You are going to have same question on the second or final exam. I want you to know that this is the address for Google, and I hope that you are using the Google Kids. This is the Google Kids. It's a safe search engine for you, and I advise your family to help you go through this search engine, which is safe. It's safe search engine. They can't, if you want to protect your child from inappropriate subjects or inappropriate videos or pictures, you can use Google Kids, or there is another one called Swiggle. You can use Swiggle. Also, it is a safe search engine for kids if you're concerned about that your son or your daughter searching or surfing the internet and you want to keep him safe and sound. You have Google Kids and you have Swiggle. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to the internet connection today. Let's complete until this tab is opened. Now, I have www.google.com. W is a stand for World Wide Web. It stands for World Wide Web. It's very important to know that www means World Wide Web. It's very important to know. I'm going to repeat it again. I want you to memorize it by your heart. And I don't want to have spelling mistakes on your computer, on your exam. www means World Wide Web. First W from world. I'm going to change the color for you. The second W for wild. The third W for web. The second part will be after the dot, which is Google. Google is the name of the company, any company. Here, the name of the company is Safe Search Kids, the name of the company. Swiggle is the name of the company. Facebook is the name of the company. The answer here will never changes. The name of the company. We have here com. Com is a shortcut for commercial. Commercial means in Arabic tijari. This is a website, a commercial website. موقع تجاري. Commercial website. We are going to talk about these shortcuts in a second. This is another example. These examples are very important. These examples are very important. I want you to focus in these examples. I'm going to write it on red. Very important examples. Very important examples. I want you to focus on them for your exam. Okay? Very important example. Okay. Another form or another type, you have www.moe.gov.jo. www means, as we said earlier, World Wide Web. As I told you before, I want you to memorize it by heart. MOE, it's the shortcut for Ministry of Education, but on the exam, I don't want you to know what is the abbreviation for it. I want you to write the name of a company. This is the typical answer. This is the typical answer for me. If you see anything here with a shortcuts or any letters you don't know, the only answer I want is the name of the company. Again, if you see MOE, the only answer I want from you is the name of the company, nothing else. Don't say, Miss, I don't know what is the MOE stand for or what is MOH stand for. I'm not testing your abbreviations or your shortcut memory. I'm testing your knowledge of how you can tell which one is the company name. Gov is the shortcut for government. As I told you, I'm going to talk about this one. Government means حكومي. Government means موقع حكومي. Jo is the shortcut for Jordan. This is the country. Here we are going to country. This is a government website. This government in Jordan. موقع حكومي في الأردن. طيب. Let's go for the website acronyms. For me, I'm going to teach you a very simple way to memorize each shortcut to each full name. On your exam, I'm not going to ask you to write the full form or to know what is the shortcut for the full form for it. Only like this, using the website here, the component of any website. So, you have to notice that ADU, it take the first letter for the name. ADU means education. Education تعليمي. It's an educational website أو موقع تعليمي. Second one is gov. Gov, as I said before, the first three letters. Gov means government, حكومي. Org for organization. Organization is non-profit company or مؤسسة غير ربحية. Organization منظمة غير ربحية in general. Com for commercial, the first three letters. First three letters, com for commercial, and net is for network. It's very important as a simple way to memorize each one. I'm taking only the first three letters. Edu means education, gov means government, org means organization, com means commercial, net means network. Here also some of the countries' abbreviations. JO stand for Jordan, AE stand for the United Arab Emirates, إمارات العربية المتحدة, KW stand for Kuwait, SA stand for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It's also very important to know some of the country's abbreviations. I give you the most used countries. Now, we are going to solve this one. Mention the country of each of the following websites. We have www. www is a stand for World Wide Web. MOEGU means the name of the company. Gov means government. IQ, who can think? IQ stands for what? I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3. IQ is stand for Iraq. Iraq. Okay, I want you to write, use your pen or pencil, and I want you to write Iraq. Okay, for AG, 1, 2, 3, it's Egypt. It's Egypt. We're going to make it bolder for you and bigger. Now we talk here about this one. IQ stands for what? It stands for Iraq. EG stands for what? It stands for Egypt. MOOM, sorry, it stands for what? It stands for Oman. You know all. Oman. Stand for Oman. Okay. The last thing I want you to do, www is here, the name of the company, government, Iraq, here. www is the World Wide Web. Tourism is the name of the company. Government is the government. EG is stand for Egypt. www is the World Wide Web. Musa is the name of the company. Government is the government. It's a website, government website. OM is stand for Oman. I want you to now to study your worksheet and try to memorize everything I told you. If you need any questions or if you want me to help you with anything you want, I'm glad to hear from you or to help you whatever you want. I'm also ready for any questions. I wish that you are understand the lesson. It's very easy and very important one, which is help you to understand the websites you visit. Wish you a good time and good night. Thank you.